Question number 21 here says, Joelle has a credit card that has a 19.2% annual interest rate compounded monthly. She owes a total balance of B dollars after M months. Assuming she makes no payments on her account, the table below illustrates the balance she owes after M months. Over which interval of time is her average rate of change for the balance on her credit card the greatest? Okay, so in this case, it's important for us to understand that average rate of change is the same thing there as slope. So average rate of change is slope. So we want to know which one of these has the greatest slope. And remember, to find slope, you simply do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll just kind of check our answer choices here to see which one this happens for. So let's go ahead and check out the first thing. It says from month 10 to month 60. So we're focused on these two values here. Well, let's figure out what our average rate of change would be. So we're going to take our y values and subtract them. So 2591.90 minus, let's be a plus sign, minus 1172. And we want to divide that by 60 minus 10, which is 50. So in that case, we get 28.398. So 28.398. So that'd be for 1. Now the next one here, choice 2, let's check out from month 19 to month 69. So we're going to use these 2 points now to figure out what the slope would be between those. So we're going to take the 2990 minus off the 1352. And we're going to divide that by, again, the 50 in this range. From 69, for 19 to 69 is 50. And that'll give me 32.76. Then I go to choice 3 here, from month 36 to 72. So if I use those 2 points, again, I subtract the y values, that 3135.8, minus out the 1770.8, and divide it by, in this case, 72 minus 36, which will be 36. And if we do that out here, you will get 37.916. What did I say? 37.916. Repeating. Okay. And then from month 60 to 73, 60 to 73 in this case, again, subtract there's y values. 3186 minus 2591.9, and then we're going to divide that by 73 minus 60, which is 13, and we get 45.7. So as you can see, the greatest rate of change was in month 4. Now, logically, this also makes sense because we know that our credit card has a 19.2% annual interest rate being compounded monthly. So when we start this out, when we start at 1,000 here, so let's say this is 1,000, and if it's increasing by 19.2%, this is going to be an exponential function going up, really fast here towards the end. So obviously you're going to have a greater rate of change the further along you are in this, or the more months you are along. So in this case, from month 60 to 73, that makes sense that that would have the greatest rate of change between those two.